The fourth member in the Xiaomi 17 series is here, Xiaomi 17 Max. The official color names are white, clear blue, and pixel black. The phone will also sport a 4-curved middle frame and a squircle-shaped rear camera module. The Xiaomi 17 Max will feature a flat 6.9-inch display with slim bezels on all 4 sides. The Xiaomi 17 Max is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. The Xiaomi 17 Max will feature a 200MP 1/1.4-inch Samsung HPX main sensor, a 50MP 1/1.95-inch Sony IMX8 series periscope telephoto unit and another 50MP ultra-wide camera, and features a 32MP selfie camera. Pack an 8000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging support. Pricing in China for the 12/256GB trim starts at 4,799 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.